Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, you guys already know the drill. I want to give a quick shout out to Tamisha. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So I want to say thank you also to Ohuhu Beauty for sending me over these products to review. This is a polygel kit that they sent over, which includes 8 different polygels, a slip solution, and a base and top coat. Here are all of the colors swatched. This is a really great kit if you are a beginner, and everything along with my discount codes will be linked down below in the description box. So today we're going to be using this color. This is in shade N2. Like I said, this kit is really great for beginners because it has everything in it. So it comes with 2 sets of dual forms, and I thought that these were really cool because it comes with your regular dual forms, and then it also comes with wide dual forms, which I'm assuming are for your toes. So you can do polygel on your toes, pedicures. And I think that's really awesome. Let me know if you guys would want to see a video on how to do polygel on your toes. Honestly, I know I do my nails, but I typically get my toes done at the salon because I just like the bubble bath and everything and the massage. But I can definitely try that if that's something you guys would be interested in. So I'm just showing you like how wide they are compared to my natural nails. This kit also came with a UV/LED lamp. And it also came with tons and tons of tools and nail art accessories. So it comes with a polygel brush, a nail file, a regular brush, and a whole bunch of nail art decals that I'm showing you guys here. So like I said, if you're a beginner, these are going to be perfect for you. You have some nail foils, you have some glitters, you have everything. So I'm going to leave a link to this kit down below in the description, but I am also going to be giving away most of this kit. The rules are really simple. I'm going to put all of the rules on the screen here. So I'm going to be using the straight coffin dual forms that I made a video on before. I really do love these dual forms. They give me like the perfect shape. Only dilemma is if you like a high apex, then you might not opt for these. So all I'm doing here is I'm shaping and sizing these nails out to my nails, and you want to make sure that they fit wall to wall. So I lied, we're going to be using shade P6, not N2, and I'm going to be using a slip solution. This isn't the one that came with the kit, but it is from Ohuhu and another kit that I have from them. I just wanted to use this one up first, but it's the same slip solution. And then I'm just going to be taking that polygel and applying it in my dual form. So if you've never used these before, they're really simple. All you do is take a small amount and just pat in. You want to make sure that your cuticle area is thinner than the rest of the nail. Dual forms are really easy to use because there are lines there. So if you want to keep track of how long you're making the nails, then just make all your nails the same line. So I went up to line 3 on these dual forms. So what I'm going to do with the rest of my nails is make sure that I'm going up to line 3 on all of my nails. So yeah, it's super simple. You want to make sure that after you apply your nail, you're cleaning up around your cuticle area before curing, because if you don't, it can definitely get a little messy and choppy. But yeah, it's super easy. I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So now I'm just popping off those dual forms, and you want to be careful when doing this. Next, all I'm going to do is take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe down your nails. And you want to make sure that you do this before filing your nails because it can leave a sticky residue. So as you can see, I did get a lot of polygel around the sides, and that was honestly because I was rushing. But I'm just taking some nail nippers and going around that, and then taking my nail file, excuse me, and shaping the nails to my preferred shape. So now I'm just dusting those off with a nail brush. At this point, you could also go ahead and wash your hands. But the method I'm doing for this is super simple. If you're not good and have a steady hand, all you do is take some white polish, put it on your finger, and like you see me doing here, I'm just literally wiping it on the tip of my nail. And it gives you the straight and perfect line every single time. So if you don't have a steady hand and you're not good at doing lines and stuff like this method is going to be perfect for you. As you can see, a little bit of the white polish got on my actual skin, which is fine. You just want to make sure you wipe it off before going into cure. Now I'm going in with some Ohuhu top coat and topping my nails off. And now I'm going in with some cuticle oil and putting this on my cuticles. I always say in every video, this is a very important step. But here are the final results. I'm in love. This is such a cute and easy, simple design. Not doing too much. I really love it. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video. If you're new here, hey girl, I upload videos every Monday and Thursday. Also, if you're interested in subscribing to my email list, I'm hosting a giveaway for that, and I'll be announcing that in not next week's video, or actually yes, next week's video. So keep an eye out for that. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday weekend, and I will catch you guys on Monday.